Welcome to Quiztopia, everybody, the utopia where brain power is king. Whether you're calculating every answer or just wiping your way through, this is where knowledge really gives you the best power and the prize. Let's get quizzing. All right, I want you to picture a map. You're looking at North Africa. Zoom in even more. You're looking at Egypt. Now, Egypt has a long stretch of desert borders. To the south lies Sudan. But to the west, which African country is along Egypt's border? Is that Ethiopia, Chad, Libya, or Nigeria? So, do you need to get a globe or not? Because the answer we're looking for is Libya. Yes, Libya shares a long land border with Egypt. Revolutions don't all look the same. Some are fought with weapons, others with mass protests, strikes. Which one of these revolutionary figures is best known for achieving change through non-violent resistance? Che Guevara, Vladimir Lenin, Mahatma Gandhi, or Spartacus? A lot of the names we see here are associated with armed struggle, but not Mahatma Gandhi. He led India's independence movement using non-violent protests, civil disobedience, and mass participation. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize 1,000,000,000 times. I'm sorry. Who is Outkast apologizing to? Janet Jackson, Miss Jackson, Auntie Jackson, or Mrs. Johnson? Written by Andre 3000 to his ex-girlfriend Erykah Badu and specifically her mother. It's Miss Jackson. Released in the 2000s, this song became one of Outkast's biggest hits. Yes, blending Andre 3000's personal story with massive pop appeal. Quick fire. Which invention came first, the guillotine or the bicycle? If you were sentenced to have to deal with the guillotine, you couldn't ride away on a bike because the guillotine was introduced in 1792 during the French Revolution, while the practical bicycles, they appeared later in the 19th century. Before streaming, before CGI overload, one very large dinosaur taught kids about sharing, kindness, and singing the same song. What color is Barney the dinosaur? Purple, green, blue, or red? Barney, he debuted in the early 1990s, and his bright purple color was chosen specifically to feel warm and non-threatening. Yes, and memorable to young kids. Woo, you players are racing through this quiz. Here we see the leaderboard halfway through. Who will end up being the winner in today's Quiztopia? We see the top three with some nice scores, but remember, there are 5 questions left. At the early 2000 Oscars, one outfit, it instantly stole the spotlight. What bird did Bjork's famous 2001 Oscar dress resemble? Was it a peacock, a swan, a dove, or a flamingo? The look, it sparked confusion, laughter, and debate. But eventually, received a lot of admiration. It was a swan. Yes, the dress later actually entered fashion history. Long before cryptocurrencies became headlines, hashtags, investment buzzwords, computer scientists, they were already experimenting with the idea of money that could exist entirely online. What was one of the first and earliest digital currencies? eCash, PayPal, Venmo, or Apple Pay? Yes, in the 1990s, this idea focused on privacy, cryptography, and moving value over the internet. It was eCash, yes, was one of the first systems designed specifically for digital money. Quickfire. 0 is an even number. True or false? Zero, it still follows the rules. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. So it's even. This one has history, tradition, and pressure baked into every ball, which 2 teams play in the famous Ashes series. Is that India and Pakistan, England and Australia, South Africa and New Zealand, or Sri Lanka and Bangladesh? The first match, it took place the 30th of December in 1882. Yes, between England and Australia. The rivalry, it's old, but it still defines Test cricket. Surprisingly, many animals have been domesticated and herded by humans. But which animal is least typical in a barnyard farm setting? The goat, the turkey, the alpaca, or the reindeer? Farming with this animal usually means wide landscapes, yes, and seasonal movement. I'm talking about the reindeer. Reindeer are often herded in open, natural environments rather than kept in traditional barns. We have gone through 10 questions, and now it's time to see who's getting the prizes. Yes, our quiz stars first. The top 10. Oh, look at that at the top of the podium. They are looking very, very happy. And I get it with those scores right there. Very, very well done. Oh, yes, we see they are dancing on the top of the podiums. I would be dancing too if I was a winner. But there's more. There is more. We also have, of course, the wild card winners. Yes! Stacking up on correct answers and then being drawn to get that sweet cash prize. Congratulations here to all of our wild card winners. You have the knowledge. Woo! You love to see it. Doesn't it feel good? Doesn't it feel good to be a winner? We have a winner here every single day. Love to see it. Woo! Well done, everybody. That's it for now, but I will see you soon again. Good luck and happy quizzing.